And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Hello everybody, welcome back. For those of you that are here for pool videos, there will be a major upgrade to the pool coming soon, so don't go anywhere. That'll be coming out shortly. But I learned of a hack for getting rid of this fog. See the fog right there? And all here shows up better in real light. That I want to share with you guys. That is quick, easy, and supposedly works really good. Worked really good on my buddy's car, so let's see how it works on mine. It's pretty simple. You can do it with items that you already have in your home, most likely, and that is the universal WD-40. This stuff, as you know, lubricates everything and works great, and most people have it around their house. So I got a rag, WD-40, and a foggy headlight. Let's give this a shot real quick. I did not bring a stand. Just wet up the rag. And then just wipe it on. Ooh. I think I need more WD-40. But I don't know if you've noticed. Look at that one. See the thick line across the top? And that one is a lot less. So let's try more WD-40. Look at that line. It is practically gone. It works pretty good. What do you guys think? That's what it looks like now. And that film is what it looked like before, so let's try. Look at that. Let's see it disappear right in front of your eyes. Cool. I'm gonna do a little bit more work on these and I'll be right back. Well, there we go. I did both headlights with nothing more than a rag and some WD-40. You still see a little bit of stuff like right in here. It shows up with your eye a little bit better than it does on camera. But all in all, it works pretty damn good. I even waited an entire hour to see if it was just a wet look. But no, even after an hour, and I know it was dry because it's 90 degrees outside, they're still a lot clearer than they used to be. If I was smart, I would have did a before and after picture, but I'm not. So if you like what you see here, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye.